In this tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust the size of your Windows 11 taskbar, whether you want it bigger or smaller. There are two main methods for doing this, and the most straightforward way is to start by opening your Start menu, searching for Settings, and selecting the Settings app. Once inside the Settings window, on the left sidebar, click on System, then choose Display. Scroll down to the Scale and Layout section, where you'll find an option to adjust the size. Right now, I have it set to 150%, but if I change this to 125%, you'll notice the taskbar becomes slightly smaller. However, keep in mind that this also resizes other elements across your system, which isn't ideal if you're only looking to adjust the taskbar. Unfortunately, Windows 11 doesn't have a built-in option to change the taskbar size directly, unlike Windows 10, where this was possible. Microsoft may bring back this feature in future updates, but for now, there are limited options. Previously, there was a way to tweak the taskbar size via the Registry Editor, but recent updates have patched this method, meaning it no longer works. So let's move on to the final method that only affects the taskbar without changing other parts of your system. First, open your internet browser and go to a search engine like Google. Type in Windhawk and hit enter. The first result should be the official website, windhawk.net. Head to this page and click the download button to download the tool to your computer. Windhawk is a free utility that's been around for years, allowing us to adjust the taskbar size. After downloading, double-click the Windhawk setup file and follow the installation steps. Choose a standard installation, click Next, and then hit Install. Once the installation is complete, make sure to check the box to run Windhawk and hit Finish. The Windhawk app will now open. Click on Browse for mods, and in the search box, type Taskbar. You'll see a mod for taskbar height and icon size. This mod has been downloaded by over 21,000 users with a 5-star rating, and it's completely safe. Click on the Details button, then select Install. You'll get a security warning. Proceed with it, as it's standard when installing mods from Windhawk. Choose Accept Risk and Install to complete the process. Once the mod is installed, go to the Settings tab at the bottom. Here, you'll see a bunch of customization options. You'll want to experiment with these numbers to achieve your desired taskbar size. For example, if I set the taskbar height to 35 and adjust other settings as needed, I'll click Save Changes. As you can see, this makes the taskbar significantly smaller. This is the only method available right now for resizing the taskbar without affecting other system elements. So feel free to adjust these settings until you get the size you prefer. That's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily resize your Windows 11 taskbar. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content. Until next time.